Hello, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing criminal law for about 8 years, and I want to help you out by talking to you a little bit about how the DUI statutes are changing in Oklahoma. So, starting November 1st, 2025, the DUI statutes are being amended, and it's going to go into effect to where the classification for this crime is changing. So, it used to be relatively straightforward: first offense misdemeanor, second offense felony, third offense higher felony, and so on and so forth. It's not going to be that way anymore. It's going to be close, but not the same. So, baseline: first offense misdemeanor, usually, unless there are aggravating factors. And this is really what's going to come into play here is you're going to see these aggravating factors throughout how you look at these charges. Because, yeah, you're still going to have first offense, second offense, third offense, so on and so forth. But for example, let's say it might be your first offense DUI, would be a misdemeanor, except your blood alcohol was a 0.15 or higher. Well, now you're looking at aggravated DUI. You're looking at felony. You're looking at felony sentencing range. Let's say it's your second offense and you hit someone. Yeah, you're definitely looking at an enhanced sentencing range from there because it's an aggravating factor. So we're not just looking at how many DUIs have you had within the last 10 years. We're also going to be looking at why. Or I guess a better way to characterize it would be what else happened during that time. But we're also going to be looking at the why. And that's the other thing that the sentencing structure for DUI now is requiring to be put in place, which is treatment and therapy. Every single uh, tier or level or grade of crime, however you want to put it, misdemeanor or felony, includes the option for or the requirement of treatment and therapy in conjunction with this. When you're looking at the aggravated DUIs, or when you're looking at second or third subsequent multiple offenses, yeah, treatment goes from being permissive to absolutely mandatory, which is great because the other thing the statute does is it does encourage courts to use alternative court programs like drug court to help these people, help defendants in these situations to make sure that they do not ha- find themselves in a repeat offense situation. They don't want to just punish you for committing the crime. They also want to rehabilitate you so that the crime does not get committed again. There's a lot to break down in this. So if you have questions about this, definitely give me a call. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to make law easy. Thank you.